Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Notepad++ on Windows 11. I'm on Windows 11 here, and by default, we don't have Notepad++. We do have Notepad. So we'll need to download and install Notepad++. We'll open a browser. And then we'll search for Notepad++ download. Notepad++ download. And when we get to the site, select download on your left, and then select the version of Notepad++ you want to download, and then click on download. And it's done downloading. I'll close this. I'll open the file explorer here, and I'll go to the downloads folder. This is where it's going to be downloaded to by default, and this is the file we just downloaded. To install it, just double click on it, press yes, okay, next, agree. This is the destination folder where it's going to be installed. I'll click next. Next, I'll create a shortcut on the desktop. I'll click install. Uncheck this, finish, and there we have the shortcut. I'll double click on it to open it. And there we have it. We now have Notepad++, and you can also search for it here. And that's all for this video. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.